me, more for 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 me. Everybody looking at me like I'm evil. Why in the world would you wanna hurt my people? Now I gotta see throats. Thought you was cool, cause you threw a cheap low. Get the ballistics, state the facts, run it back, watch it all come back like crack. In this lifetime, my lifeline, could many sins on white lines. For motherfucker wanna enter right rhymes. Serpents on my tip, they don't like life. Check yourself, Jesus Christ dies. That's what happened with the tides tied. You just entered a different galaxy, universal future. Advanced technology, a new millennium, space odyssey. Time warp for the past prodigy. Run rubber through the land and a heifer. Reminisce on the days when I kicked it in the gutter. Motherfucker, I used to be a big time clever. Look at me now, I have you all freeze and stutter. Spitting comment passing through, I'm on it. Hazardous to your health like nuclear talks. Internationally, I'm heard to show. The 747 big birds who go to shows. Light speed on the right weed. Then you hear the sonic boom, chill stirs the room. The sun, stars, the moon. Living the Milky Way, the way the players play. Living in the fast life, still drilling, killing with the gun. If they come, watch them all hit the ground when I done. Asking for some, but they get none. More for me, hyperdrive enterprise to another dimension.
To another dimension?
More for me, hyperdrive enterprise to another dimension.
To another dimension?
More for me, hyperdrive enterprise to another dimension.
To another dimension?
More for me, hyperdrive enterprise. More for me, hyperdrive enterprise. More for me, hyperdrive enterprise to another dimension.
To another dimension?
More for me, hyperdrive enterprise to another dimension.
To another dimension?
More for me, hyperdrive enterprise to another dimension.
To another dimension?
More for me, hyperdrive enterprise. More for me, hyperdrive enterprise. Minds of the maniac to make the music maker mentally disturbed man wanna hang himself when he's down on his luck while the rest of the world don't give a fuck. Sizzling suns dribbling drums from your lowest low riders to your biggest diesel truck. Get into your ear, come out your mouth after a chip your tooth, and then it start blistering tongues. Said I'd never make it, mom said I always would. Stand up for my kids and block when I'm throwing up my love. Trapped in the ghetto mazes, strapped on the daily basis. Rearranging faces, places, and complications. My sons are quick to smash, my daughters will fuck you up. They down to blast, kick gas, and all kinds of other stuff. Chocolate vanilla, brown skin persuasion. She's peeling off her daisies while I'm getting wasted. Face it, I got no time or patience, so why you wasting? A daily lesson can be better, a lifetime investment. Count your blessings before you die. Little blood in your eye, no room for mud in the sky. If you choose to poop in your pie, gotta keep the roof on fire. Situation do or die, it's either you or I, G-R-E-E-L-E-Y. I got a squad of bitches with a team of killers. Medication, vacation, whirlwinds within my spaceship. It's crazy, but still they cannot fade me.
Whirlwinds within my spaceship.
I slang it, worms out, it's all gang banging.
Whirlwinds within my spaceship.
It's crazy, but still they cannot fade me.
Whirlwinds within my spaceship.
I'm slanging words out, it's all gang banging.
Whirlwinds within my spaceship.
The planet, rock 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 the planet. The planet, don't get me misunderstood, don't make no misunderstandings. Whether a stranger stranded, still got the hand over fist, the upper handed, 100 million miles away. Some of y'all can't stand it. With electrifying laser beams and cannons, the Rocky Mountain, Colorado, speed cars to gang cannon. Then sub up to Saturn, better hold on to your batters. Move things that matter, shoot things that scatter. By gamma rays form from each banners, blocking up hammers. Now how about that one, shooting at a little harbor grammar? With a planet get rocked, you got to pay a docking fee. Then there ain't no stopping me, Mr. Cocknut or smoking weed. I still rock the planet to perform a human centipede. 14-legged spiders represent undersiders. Ignite jetpack gliders, motorcycle riders. Rock the planet activity, drop it off like like gravity. The planet, the planet, the planet. Can you get funky? Can you get funky? Yeah. The planet, the planet, the planet. Can you get funky? Can you get funky? Yeah. It's raining fire. I'm a con talking motherfucker, slick off the tongue tip. With the lungs to the microphone check, you get home quick. Funk that you want for your trunk or your curb. It's raining fire for the lonely sky, lit off the herb. I've been the baddest, like catty bitches riding Harleys. That's why I'm birdhead feather off that Bob Marley. Release the crack in the fire breathing dragon. The backhand for the Aztec out the ocean, slap the land. I get deeper than the devil with the shovel, smoke that creeper. Take my mind to another level. My umbilical cord was connected to the microphone. The lights are off, the nights are on. Getting into the bone marrow. Helter skelter skeletons, scarecrows, wearers clothes, tear through holes, hang with rap pharaohs. A nightmare to those that oppose, they get disposed. A night terror, I'm right here, I get it in your souls. It's raining fire. It's raining fire. It's raining fire. It's raining. It's raining fire. 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 T-Lo 970. You already know. This what I do it for. 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 Now I'm gone in the zone with the lights off, ski mask down, hand wrapped around the handle, burning rubber. Once the sounds of the wheels peel off, till the engine fall out. If it's left us to the block, fuck it, we still gon' roll out. That's the type of shit I throw out. Give your whole backbone a blowout. From sun up to sundown, another fucking showdown. Boom, plow, the coast will take a Titanic to pull out. Don't give a fuck about the fame, just give me the pay. Writing utensils, pens and pencils, heat-seeking missiles. I keep on doing this shit. Christmas to Christmas, better mind your fucking business. No time for checking quizzes, pulling silent missions, leaving you sleeping with the fishes on the roadside. We do our things out the window, things that range to be broke. Now it's cream, bitches and killers on my team. Big buds, bitches with the big buds, with a fist of homies in the back of a big truck. Not giving a fuck, all y'all better be good to dub. Beautiful people, this what I do it for. G-Town on the map, this what I do it for. Let's have to know it is. This what I do it for. T-Lo on the track, this what I do it for. 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 Alone, inside my dome, I'll probably end up killing myself. It's like a cyclone, it's shown, it's grown all over my hell. Now I'm gonna put the clock to my head, should've put a noose around my neck. I'm gonna lose weight, I need a crucifix, so I can flee the demons on my soul rest. Have I been pleased by the enemy from the underworld? Am I making sense? Feels like I'm taking a chance, taking a risk. For the reaper to put me to bed, what's going on in my head? Nightmares, bad choices, I see red, I hear voices. What they said, suicide, you're better off dead. Frustration building up,
Can I get an angel so I can heal up? Take my life for the ones I love, but still get punished from the one above. Let me tell you about my thing, it's sick. Than a scale that can measure my pain. All alone I walk in the rain, it's constantly stabbing inside of my brain. I fight to stay sane, maintain, so I don't break. My thoughts on trip, I'm holding tight, I can feel them slip through my grip. About to crack like a whip, shout to a blister my lip, twisting inside of the wind. My whole world is on spin, never ever know where I'm gonna land. Never ever know where I'm gonna land. This ain't parody. Never ever know where I'm gonna land. This ain't parody. Never ever know where I'm gonna land. This ain't parody.
Nueve, siete, zero. Mr. D on the beat. Yeah. Whatever keep me humble or bring more trouble, I gotta double my bubble. Whatever keep me humble or bring more trouble, I gotta double my bubble. Why get the baby mama babbling your baby boy in trouble? Get over here on the double, Han Solo, to a loud yodel. Kicking back, eating the big bowl of cocoa pebbles. I've been kicking the ground dust on rebel. Tell the devil gravel, so I'm taking it deeper than another level. Hey baby brother, little brother, would you mind if I get my cheese so I can get more bread and butter? And then they get to say, label buffet. Your baby mama looking like Jabba the Hutt when she away. 100 women wondering what's that thundering in my bed. I gotta keep it coming, wanna see the top of that. 1, 2, buckle my shoe, buckle my shoes. I like big booty boob, the baby lives, she's how she is. Baby, woman, papers. What will keep me humble or bring more trouble? I gotta double my double. What will keep me humble or bring more trouble? I gotta double my double. I gotta double my bubble. Double my bubble. Double my bubble. I gotta double my bubble. Double my bubble. Double my bubble. I said, wait a minute, you little crazy chick. What if I made you walk in with a big old dick? Would you say hi and try to be friends? Or would you come to me because you're interested? Nah, and then you figure I'll be getting in there, sick as some sand. With the wickedest grin, rolling low slow. I gotta do it again. Still disturbing your neighborhoods when you're turning your in. I gotta double my bubble, triple my flipple, quadruple a loophole, fuck with 5 figures. Me and my ziggers like to pull triggers. You figure? So pass me the handle so I can start burning. Homies in the shadows of the night with the 8-arm Merc. Situation critical, disturbing. The whole crew click still tighter than the turban. Pass the bourbon, load up the whole suburban. Flames ablaze, we rural, we urban. Resident Evil with Northern Colorado. Twisting and turning, whether it keep me humble or bring more trouble. I gotta double my bubble. Whether it keep me humble or bring more trouble. I gotta double my bubble. I gotta double my bubble. Double my bubble. Double my bubble. I gotta double my bubble. Double my bubble. Double my bubble. I gotta double my bubble. Double my bubble. Double my bubble, double my bubble, double my bubble. I said, baby, gotta double my bubble. I keep it bare rockin' like Barney Rubble. Papa building some pillin' donuts from the parking lot. I'm gonna double my bubble, baby bubble. Baby bubble, baby.